What's going on, Harvester YouTubers? Today we're building up a very special GT. Let's open it up. There we go. We have a GT Pro Freestyle T model, and this is from year 1987. This has the 990 mounts on the bottom, a little coaster brake mount over there, 1-inch headset, and this frame has been painted by C4 Labs. So we're gonna show you a couple more parts to go along with that. We got the GT forks to go along with that. We got the GT handlebars, GT seat post, and then we're gonna go through all the parts with you, starting over here. We got a 1-inch gyro from Odyssey, this GT sprocket, some cool stop pads, GT seat, GT fork standers, a 990 brake, pink dice, Tioga headset, Diacom Tech 77 levers with a Diacom nip-in front brake, GT American Modern brackets, some tubes, GT mallet stem, this GT C-post clamp, these very cool pedals that are error correct, GT cranks, we have a GT Super Lace hubs, laced to ACS Z-rims, and over there we got some Panaracer tires. So let's get to the build. Stay tuned.
The space race. 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 The space. 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 The space race. race. The space race. The space race.
All right, everybody, we just finished up this cool hot pink GT. She's looking really good. We'll go through all the parts with you. We threw on some Amy grips, Tech 77 levers, Odyssey gyro, GT bars, GT mallet stem, 1-inch gyro, some pictures of the artwork in the paint job, Diacomp nip and brake, GT fork, GT super lace hubs, Panaracer tire with ACS-Z rims, very rare pedals that came on the original GTs, GT Power Series cranks with a GT disc and a KMC 410 chain, GT clamp with a GT seat post and a GT plastic seat. On the back we got the Panaracer tire, the ACS-Z rim, the GT hub. We got some standers over here and a Diacomp 990 brake. So let us know what you think of this beautiful 80s GT. Comment below and make sure you check out all our other GT builds that we've done. And thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.